What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector for your Tesla Model Y or Model 3. So this is going to be an anti-glare screen protector that you can fit on your display screen. So that way you have protection and less glare. So let's open this up so you can see what we get with it, and then we're going to install it. So the packaging comes in this nice premium packaging, and once you open it up, you see the screen protector here. Now, this is going to be the screen protector, and it comes with this guide to help you put it on. It makes the installation process really, really simple. You also get a couple of things to help prepare your screen. So you have cleaning wipes, you have a dust remover, you also have a microfiber towel, so that way you can really get the screen nice and dry. You have instruction manual for your application and some information about sync wire. And you also have a squeegee. That way you can really get the air bubbles out of the screen protector when you're applying it. So when choosing the screen protector, you want to make sure that your vehicle falls under the right years. Right now, this is going to be for the Tesla Model 3 from 2017 to 2023, and then the Tesla Model Y from 2020 to 2024. Now, the key benefits of having this is going to be for the overall protection of your screen. So just in case you accidentally brush against your screen with something sharp or something falls on it, you don't want to accidentally scratch the actual screen itself. Also, this is going to help protect against glare, so that, light coming in and you're trying to read your navigation or read what's on your display, it's going to filter out that light, so that way you'll be able to see your display. And since this is real tempered glass, it's just going to provide an extra layer of protection on your screen, on your display, so that way you're covered. I know for me, I drive my vehicle a lot. I'm always in the car touching the screen. So let's go ahead and put this on so you can see the way it looks on the display. So first, we're going to clean the screen. Well, guys, this is going to be the screen protector for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y by SyncWire. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.